Alright, so today I'm going to be showing how to set up the steering wheel controls on the Dasaita Honda Civic head unit. My car specifically is a 2009 Honda Civic Si. These are the steering wheel controls that we have here. There's also some under here. Unfortunately, with this one, the factory harness that comes for these head units is a little bit different than the one that Dasaita actually sends out when you purchase it through Amazon. So you will have to talk to them about getting a secondary head harness sent out to be able to use this with the Si model cars because of the premium audio. But they'll work with you to get it figured out. However, for the steering wheel controls, only these 3 keys actually work. For the steering wheel controls, I wasn't able to get these ones to work unless you are to get some kind of aftermarket adapter to be able to distinguish the keys. But I have a little bit of a different software on here, but basically you're going to go to settings. You're then going to go down to car, and then under car you're going to see steering wheel keys. Just click on that. And when you press a key on here, it'll pop up on here. And you can see mine is associated with the volume down. That is the volume down button. So you can see it brings up this menu, and you can assign it to whatever function you want that's in here. You can have it mute, you can have it open up Bluetooth, answer decline calls, change the brightness, mute yourself, stop, skip, whatever. You can also assign a long click action. So here you have just a short click, which is, just the press. And then a long click action will do a different thing if you decide you want it to do a different thing. So mine here, I have the volume up, volume down programmed in. I also have the channel buttons to skip and to go back. And then this mode button, I assign this to be a play pause button, and also if you long press it, it will send you to the home screen. So if you're in something like CarPlay and you want to go home, you just hold down that button and it brings you to the home screen. So I'll demonstrate. Here's the volume up, volume down feature, and again, if you hold it down, it drops the volume down like it would on a remote or something like that. But it's pretty simple, pretty easy to set up. Just can be kind of a process to find it and get it working. So I also wanted to jump in and add, there's quite a few cool features and little things to note about these head units. Since they're running Android, there's quite a bit that you can actually do within these systems beyond what Dasaita sends them with, as for like operating system and everything. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments. I'll also link to where you can purchase this head unit on Amazon. That's where I bought mine. It comes with the whole trim piece, so you basically just you disassemble this over here, and then you're able to pop this out, and all you switch over is these climate controls, which these knobs just pop right off, and then you can unscrew this from the back and swap it over. You also have to swap over this vent and the hazard buttons. There's also a passenger airbag symbol that's right here, that's supposed to go right here, but the trim piece that they send does not fit it, so it's just tucked in the back. But yeah, feel free to drop any comments, questions. I'd be happy to answer them and help out, because these are some pretty cool head units for the Honda Civics. Thanks.